So, ayun na, dumating na nga yung order ko from Shopee, which is the electric water pump for dispenser. Very aesthetic. So, in this video, i-unbox natin yon. So, una, yung parang head niya, then yung Type-C charger with a tube, and after, chinek ko kung gaano kahaba yung tube niya. And by the way, before ko siya ginamit, nag-sterilize muna ako niyan to like 2 minutes lang naman, hindi masyado katagalan. Then, check ko yung 3 options niya dyan. May 3 options kasi na button. And then, yung may black cups nakikita nyo, fit yan siya sa 5 to 7 liters na Wilkins. So, wala namang Wilkins. Go for absolute na tayo and makikita nyo maluwag. But it's